Hello YouTube, do you have a situation where only half of your outlet is working, maybe only the top or the bottom? You've got power in one but not the other? I'm going to talk to you about what the reason is, and the most common is that you may not realize it, but one of these may be controlled by a light switch. And so when you have one that's controlled by a light switch and the other one is not, and the light switch has been inadvertently turned off, then you've got the one that's being controlled by the switch obviously is not working. Now many people don't realize that that's the case. Sometimes people are they're not even in their own home. They may be renting an Airbnb or on vacation and don't know that the outlet is controlled by a light switch. So now let me just show you how that works, because it could be a situation where something broke on the outlet that would create a similar situation. I'm going to come around the other side of the camera and point to it. So when you have an outlet that is being controlled by a switch, let me back up a second. When you bring your hot wire to an outlet, you can just connect it to one terminal screw, and then what'll happen, the reason why both of them are powered by bringing just one hot wire here is because of this little tab here, this little metal piece that connects this side from this side. It's right here. I'm gonna make sure you could see it. This little metal piece, okay? So that bridges the gap and it brings the power in here and then lets it go to this side, okay? So you've got when the plug goes in here, that's the hot side. It's really connected to this terminal screw. And then when the plug is in here, it's connected to this terminal screw. But they're both being fed by the power coming into whichever one you're bringing it. Now, if you break this little tab off, now you need a wire coming to each one. And sometimes this tab gets broken off for whatever reason, right? And if that tab is broken off, and you only have one hot wire coming into this outlet, then that would explain why you only have power to one side, okay? Or maybe again it's controlled by an outlet and the outlet side is hot when you flip it on, but the other one is not. Maybe this came loose, maybe you were backstabbing and it popped out. There could be multiple reasons, but 9 times out of 10, the situation with where the top of an outlet works and the bottom does not, it's because of that reason, because it's controlled by a switch or this tab was removed. Now let's say that's not the case. Let's say it's not a situation like that. What you can do is you can test the outlet. You can test the power coming in, flip off the breaker, or put your meter in here, your multimeter, and test to see if you've got power. And if you do, you can try changing the outlet out, and maybe the outlet is just defective. That's usually the least common, but that could definitely be a reason for a situation where you've got power on one versus not the other. The final one that I'm going to talk about is this. You could have a situation where inside the outlet is so old that the part where you plug it in here is not pinching the plug properly. So you're actually not, even though the power is to both of them, if it's an older outlet and you're not pinching the plug properly, then that could be another situation. So that would be another reason to change the outlet. So the first one is, again, to recap, check to see whether it's controlled by a light switch. Check to make sure the entire outlet is getting power on both sides using a multimeter. And if that doesn't work, then just swap out the outlet, and that should fix your problem. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I always answer. Give me that thumbs up on the video, please. It'll be very helpful to me. I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers, so it would help me greatly too if you would sub to the channel. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you in the next video.